And of course, the Gambia Health Ministry has announced the confirmation of 20 new cases of COVID-19, 8 of whom are healthcare workers, mainly from the country's main referral hospital in Banjul. The latest news on Tuesday presented the 5th death as a result of COVID-19, as well as the positive test on a WHO staff currently in the Gambia. More in this report.
A staff of the World Health Organization is among the 8 new cases confirmed on health workers in the Gambia in the latest batch of 20 cases of coronavirus. The Tuesday report by the Ministry of Health announced the 5th coronavirus-related death in the country since March 2020. The deceased was a security guard at a private medical clinic within the Greater Banjul area, according to sources. Together with the Congolese UN consultant in the Gambia, 5 Cuban doctors and 2 Gambian doctors are among the health workers who tested positive of the coronavirus. In less than 2 weeks, 22 health workers have been enrolled for treatment in a 60% increase in the number of COVID-19 cases for the past 20 days. The registration of 20 new cases, being the highest report in a single day, brings to 132 the total of COVID-19 cases ever confirmed in the country. Meanwhile, 639 people are under quarantine, 64 are under treatment, while 5 cases are on a probable stage.
The Gambia's Ministry of Health has finally received the medical equipment to support the fight against COVID-19 thanks to partnership with the World Bank. The new consignment marked a tap on the back of health workers at a time when the number of cases has exceeded 100, including 22 health workers. Detailed in this report.
The arrival of medical supplies, including 10 ambulances procured from the Republic of Turkey with the support of the World Bank, is expected to strengthen the COVID-19 response muscles of the Gambia's Ministry of Health. The World Bank committed a grant of $10 million for the procurement of medical supplies to enhance COVID-19 case detection, tracing, and reporting. Minister of Health Dr. Amadou Lamin Samate, who received the items at the Banjul International Airport, graded the materials highly, noting of their readiness to the provision of quality healthcare service delivery in the country.
We stand here to receive 10 state-of-the-art ambulances for the people of this country. Now, we had never seen this before. I had never seen ambulances like this in this country before in my life. Today, we receive these kinds of ambulances that are state-of-the-art, that are ready for use for the provision of quality healthcare delivery services in the Gambia.
Minister Samate assured Gambian people that the COVID-19 funds provided by the Gambian government and its partners will all be accountable judiciously.
Now, we want to tell the people of this country that this is a manifestation that the COVID-19 funds, the COVID-19 support from the partners will be put to very, very, very good use. We have already seen that, and the arrival of these 10 brand new state-of-the-art ambulances is a manifestation of that, and that we will guard relentlessly to make sure that every butut of the funds of government geared towards COVID-19 and all the funds from the donor partners are put to very, very, very good use.
He also took the opportunity to salute frontline workers for their sacrifice during this unprecedented time brought about by COVID-19 pandemic.
COVID-19 came, it is unprecedented times. We have our frontline health workers who are there in the thick of things. We want to show appreciation. We want to send our respect to all of them. As you have already known, some healthcare workers have tested positive as we speak. Our prayers go to them and their families. We support them and we tell them that the Ministry of Health, the government of the Gambia, and all our partners are with them in prayers and support, and we continue to support them. We want to tell them that the people of this country appreciate their hard work, their dedication, their commitment to duty, even when their health and their lives are at risk.
Minister of Foreign Affairs Momodou Tangara commended the World Bank for supporting the Gambian government in its quest to contain the COVID-19 pandemic. He encouraged the public to respect the emergency regulations as it is geared towards protecting people from the disease.
I have a sense of relief today that ambulances are here. And this is also an opportunity once again to urge and encourage people to respect some of the measures taken by government. It's not with pleasure that some of the measures are taken. As I always say, we are trying to protect people against themselves. We are trying to protect ourselves and our families because the pandemic is real. COVID-19 is real. The fact that people are still in denial is very worrisome.
Recently, the number of COVID-19 cases has been at an increasing rate of 60%, with the number hitting 132 as of this week. For iAfrica TV, Sohna Tunkara.